Welcome back, everyone. This is the Casio fx-300ES Plus, a very, very nice calculator that people, and second edition, that people like to use. Okay, let's turn it on. And some people have asked me, how do you round the numbers? Like, for example, 9 divided by 160. 9 divided by 160 equals, right? And gives you an answer of 0.05625. Let's say I wanted to round it in the ones, tens, hundreds place, right? How do you do that? Well, you press Shift and Mode, and you go to number 6. And it says fix 0 through 9. You press 2 for two numbers, so 0.06. Why did the 5 go into a 6? Because this 5, it's 5 or above, then the other number before it will change. And so you get 0.06. And if you do something like, let's say, 9.125, right, divided by 1,000, let's say, and you press equals, it's going to give you 0.01, right? You might think, oh, there's something wrong with this calculator. But there isn't. It's just that it's truncating at that point. So one thing you need to do is to bring it back. You press Shift and Mode, and then press number 8 to bring the whole thing back to normal. Press number 1 here, and now you can see it's 9.125 times 10 to the minus 3, which is a much better accurate number. Okay. So keep in mind that if you leave it in 2, in fixed 2, you might not get the value that you might find in the back of the book or what your teacher has calculated in class or something. Okay, I hope that was useful. Please subscribe. Please, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please tell your teachers, your friends, your schoolmates, and I hope you have a wonderful semester. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.